Hello and welcome back to another video from HTS. Today it's just a quick one to let you know that our Q2 offers are now live and they are running until the end of June. This booklet here should have been with you now, so if you haven't seen the copy, please get in touch and we can send one out for you. It covers a great range of products. We've got some of the impact socket sets, Sealy impact socket sets and first aid kits, which are handy little items to keep in your fitters' vans. We've also included some products from our JCB range, the telehandler forks and fork retention brackets and pins, and there's also some JCB seat covers as well. And we have also included the very popular plant nappies, a great environmentally friendly way to clear up any spills, etc. And we also have included our exclusive HTS plant tags. There's some great deals in here, so make sure you take advantage, and any more information you require, please get in touch on the usual channels, email or telephone, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.